if you installed Arch or any Arch-based distro, there is a good chance that your machine is pinging Arch server every now and then. In my experience, too much. So how you can stop that? You can create a file 20-connectivity.conf in this folder, and here you enter this text, save the file, and then just reboot your computer. And this should stop all the pinging to the Arch servers. And now the only thing that is left is NTP server, which you should change depending on which country you are in. In order to see which NTP server you are currently using, you can write this comment. And as you can see, this is Arch server, which I don't want. So instead of that, I just edit this file. And for this, you need sudo privileges. And here, these two lines, you just change that for your servers. The NTP should be the one for your country or something near if you don't have it in your own. And the fallback, you can just put something on your continent. So I will just save this file, quit, and then restart the system service. And now when I look at my NTP server, you can see that it changed address. It's no longer Arch, and this is okay by me. And as you can see here in Wireshark, it's no longer asking the time for Arch servers, but it looks on the servers that I defined. I don't want to connect to Arch servers unless I'm updating and nothing else. And that's all.